10 Things You Didn't Know About Jamaica, Part 1. We all know that one person who has tried a jerk chicken a grand total of 2 times and think they are a certified Jamaica expert. Don't listen to that guy. Get your info from Elite Jamaica. Unless you live here or visit a lot, and even then, there is no way to know everything about Jamaica. But lucky for you, Elite Jamaica is here to help you learn a lot more about this beautiful island paradise. Welcome back to another Elite Jamaica original video. And if it's your first time joining me here and you want to learn more about Jamaica and Jamaicans, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification icon so you never miss an update. Number 1. Jamaica has a fashion week. The Caribbean's hottest fashion fete comes to Jamaica every June, and this year will make the stylish event's 17th anniversary. So if you book a seat at the catwalk, come June, you will see the best in fashion. Number 2. Jamaica has a rally race. It's hard work being laid back all the time, so the speed freaks of Jamaica switch it up in the fall, that's late October to early December, giving the streets in and around Kingston the Grand Prix treatment for the annual Rally Jamaican Road Race. Racers travel with their rides from as far away as Europe to compete, and even though there can be only one winner, there is worse places in the world to lick your wounds after losing a race. In Jamaica, you can have that with a red stripe beer. Number 3. Jamaica has made their own car. Jamaica is the only Caribbean country to date to produce its own car. The aptly named Island Cruiser. It's no Yugo either. It's tough enough to endure the island's more rugged rural roads. This 2-door Jeep will get you almost anywhere you want to go in Irish style. Number 4. Jamaica has their own craft beer. Hope you like hipster with an island twist, because craft beer has come to Jamaica. Get with Kingston's Big City Brewing for a taste of their Royal Jamaican Alcoholic Ginger Beer, a crisp combo of Jamaica's ginger with a light local beer. Number 5. One of Jamaica's best bars looks like it's falling apart. Beach bars. The year 2004 was a long time ago. So for a really unique experience, I've gone to the south coast of Jamaica to Floyd's Pelican Bar. Though the shack in the middle of the sea looks like a fall apart at any moment type of place you'd have to be double dare to enter, it's one of the Caribbean's most iconic watering holes. Number 6. Jamaica has a booming jazz scene. Reggae rules supreme in Jamaica, of course, but it's not the only rhythm you can enjoy on the island. Jazz up your Jamaican experience at Mike's Supper Club, the stylish cabaret lounge at the swanky Trident Hotel in Port Antonio, evoking the days of Calypso Bop and the Harlem Renaissance. Mike's hosts live jazz performances every Saturday night beginning at 8 p.m. around its iconic Ferrari red 1917 Steinway Baby grand piano. Groove to the tunes, nosh on the club's distinctive Jamaican Japanese fusion cuisine, and escape to a bygone era. Number 7. The world's fastest man owns a restaurant in Jamaica. You can tap into what the world's fastest man eats at Tracks and Records, Usain Bolt's sprawling 7,000 square foot sports bar, restaurant and entertainment complex in New Kingston. The expansive menu features traditional favorites like jerk chicken, curried mutton, and janga soup, alongside such mashups as ital stew with pumpkin rundown and amazing Jamaican cob salad, all of it no doubt served fast. Number 8. Jamaica was the first country in the Western Hemisphere to construct a railway, even before the United States. This was done only 18 years after Britain. Number 9. Jamaica was the first British colonial territory to establish a postal service. This was in 1688. Number 10. Jamaica was the first tropical country to enter the IOC Winter Olympics. The bobsled team's efforts inspired the film Cool Runnings. Thank you for joining me again, guys. I am Alex. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe for more and hit the notification icon so you never miss an update. Bless.